Welcome to A Pearl in Every Cowslip's Ear. This series was recorded here in our classroom with actual students. You just get to listen in. And we are using Christian Light Education's curriculum, and this is Language Arts 5, Book 1. Okay, Lesson 1. Today we're going to learn about nouns. The noun is one of the 8 parts of speech, and I have the 8 parts of speech here. 8 parts of speech are nouns, verbs, prepositions, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, interjections, and conjunctions. So every word that we have in the English language would fit into one of these groups, one of these parts of speech. And today we're talking about nouns. I'm going to write it up here. And nouns name 4 things: person, a place, a thing, or an idea. So a noun will name a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Think of some nouns. We can think of some nouns that name a person. Person could be a noun like man, or it could be a noun like Mr. Jonathan. A place can be a noun like school, or a noun like Romania. A thing could be a noun like desk, or a noun like Titanic. And an idea can be a noun like, these are nouns that are actually more emotions. There's something usually that you can more feel or you can think in your head, like joy. Can you touch joy? No, but it is a thing. It's a thing that people have. People can have joy. So ideas are a little harder to actually touch. Now, in nouns, there's 2 different kinds of nouns. There are common nouns and proper nouns. So a common noun and a proper noun. That's right. A common noun and a proper noun. A common noun is a noun that names just an everyday thing. A desk. It could be anyone's desk if it's a common noun. It could be your desk, Jason's desk. We don't know whose desk it is. It could be a dog. So dog is a common noun. We don't know whose dog it is. But a proper noun would be a specific noun. So there's only one of these, or probably only one that you know. So a proper noun for a dog would be Mickey. So Mickey is one specific dog, so that makes it a proper noun. Whereas a common noun, there are many for. So we can name persons. A common noun would be a man. A proper noun would be Mr. Jonathan. For a place, a common noun would be school. A proper noun would be Romania. That's very specific. For a thing, a common noun would be desk. Proper noun, Titanic. And for an idea, I don't know that we can really have a proper noun for an idea. There are going to be more common nouns like joy and honesty and love and things like that. Notice that with the proper nouns, we always capitalize them. Always put a capital letter first because we're talking about one. This is the Mickey. The specific, very specific noun. Now, the next part of the lesson has to do with making nouns plural. Suppose we have more than one noun. Suppose we have more than one dog. How do we make it plural? And the rule is this. If the noun ends with just a simple consonant, we can just add S. So dogs, and we can just add S. If it ends with something like CH or SH, then we need to add ES, and we get matches. If it ends with a vowel, if it ends with a vowel, but a consonant comes right before the vowel, like a D before a Y, then we change the vowel to I and add ES. So ladies. Change the vowel to I and add ES, IES, because it's a consonant vowel. Now, if it ends with 2 vowels, such as O and Y, and both are Y, then again, all we have to do is add is S, boys. So to very simply make things plural, if they end just with a single consonant, we can add S. If they end with a combination of consonants, CH or SH, a ch or sh sound, then we need to add ES. And even taxes, so S X, Z, CH, SH, and ES are all times we'll add ES. And if it ends with a consonant and then a vowel, we change the vowel to I and add ES. If it just ends with two vowels, we can just add S and we are done. Okay. For your penmanship, again, we're going to have a notebook for you to write this thing in. If you look on page 4 and you have the K, it says there are about 40 known species of seahorses. And you will write that very neatly in perfect penmanship in a notebook that will be for penmanship. So I'll get you a notebook by tomorrow and you can write it there for the penmanship. I'll get to you in a minute. Let's read the spelling words. I'll read them to you and you can just follow along there. First of all, it's dainty, dangerous, empty, energetic, enjoyable, excellent, exciting, firm, forgotten, harmless, necessary, polite, rough, rugged, selfish, serious, several, silver, solid, valuable. Those are some big words, and especially something like necessary. I still don't know what gets C's and S's in that word. So I hope that you can be a better speller than I am. All right, carry on with your work. That's it.